Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Library Modules Folders panel displays the folders that contain your Lightroom Classic CC photos. Within the Folders panel, folders appear in alphanumeric order and reflect the folder structure of the entire volume of photos. You can click the triangular-shaped disclosure triangle to the right of a volume name to see the folders related to that volume. To see subfolders within a folder, click the triangle to the left of the folder. When you right-click on a folder within the Folders panel, you'll see a menu of options. You can move selected photos into the folder, create collections, import photos into the folder, mark folders as favorites, and access other features by using this menu. Lightroom Classic CC lets you add, rename, move, and delete folders within the Folders panel. When you make changes to a folder, these changes are applied to the folders themselves on the volume. In the next lesson, we'll take a closer look at creating and managing folders within the Folders panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.